everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2. This is year model 2007. This is SUT. And I'm going to change engine oil and oil filter. It's very easy and simple to do it without wasting any time. Let's get started. It's going to be very easy and a simple process. The HUMMER has oil filter located at the bottom. We need to go down to the HUMMER and we're going to remove the oil filter and I'll show it to you. And the other things we're going to use, let me share with you. So this is the oil I'm going to use. It's a mobile one and it's a 5W30. You need a funnel ratchet to open our oil filter. You can use the different tools. You can use this, you can use this. But in this case, in a HUMMER, it's not going to work. This will be really good. So we're going to put this one on and we're going to crank it open with the ratchet. And then I'm using AC Delco filter. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is the drain bolt and this one requires a 15mm socket. And we need a ratchet and we're going to crank it open. Once it's open, we have a bucket ready underneath. So I'm going to open it. Bring the bucket up. It's going to hit the oil right here. Don't worry. We're going to clean up later. Okay. I'm going to take the bolt out, as you see. So just be careful. You put something under the bucket. If it spills the oil, then it won't dirty your driveway. You really don't need to remove this undercarriage grill. It only makes a mess a little bit, but that we can clean up. And once this oil is drained, as you see, this is the oil filter right here. And I'm going to remove that. Once it's going to start dripping, then I'm going to go under the hood. I'll open up the engine cap. The oil almost stopped draining. This is the oil filter. We're going to remove it. So I'm going to use the socket and we're going to crank it open. Put a dirty rag underneath. So any oil spilling, that will get collected right here. Also, I place a box or something or rag and collect it. So I'm going to keep opening the oil filter. And as you see, once we opening it, it starts to drip the oil. This was the reason we needed the box underneath. And as you see, I put the rag. It drips right here and it's going down. So let it drip. Once it's going to stop, then we're going to open it again. So now I'm going to keep open the filter again. It's a good idea to wear disposable gloves. Don't wear regular gloves. It's a little tedious, the place they put the filter. As you see, once we remove the filter, and make sure that we put the oil inside the bucket, and then I have a box ready. So I'll place it here. So I'm going to leave this dirty rag here and let it collect the oil. And once it's get collected, and it will go into the bucket. Once it slowly drains out, then I will clean up the surrounding area. As you see, the oil stopped draining. And we're going to get a paper towel. We're going to make sure that we clean up all the area. This is very important. Once I'm going to install the oil filter and the drain bolt, then we're going to use this engine degreaser cleaner. I will spray on the places, then we'll clean it. And as you see, there is no more dripping. So this is the drain bolt, and now we're going to place it back in. So it's not hard. It's just the place. It's really tight. This will make a little mess. As you seen, I put the box, we collect the engine filter and the bucket right here. And we really don't need to jack up because my H2 SUT is really high. It's lifted. So now I'm going to put the drain plug, then I will put the new filter. So make sure that we wipe out. So we will place the drain bolt. First hand tight, then we're going to tighten with the ratchet. So as you see, it's tight. and make sure that we clean the area. So it's a good idea. Put your hand underneath the filter and keep rotating like this. Once you have a couple threads, then you easily can put it on. So do the hand tight like this. Once it's nicely tightened, use your filter edge and do the quarter turn. It's nicely tightened. This is the drain bolt which we tighten it, and now make sure that with the ratchet you tighten it. Filter is also tightened, and now this is the area I already cleaned it, but now I'm going to use the spray. So we're going to spray around the area like this. Then get a paper towel and just clean the area. So that's how you change the engine oil filter. We're going to go under the hood. Now we're going to fill up the oil. As we remove the engine cap already, we'll place the funnel. H2 SUT takes the 6 quarts. So I have a 5 quarts, then I have another jug. We're going to use 1 quart. And how to check it? You have to pour it in, you will see the marking on the side. So we're going to put 1 quart and 5 quarts. So altogether 6 quarts. So I'll open it. If you have a big funnel, then you really don't have to worry about it. If you have a small funnel, then I would suggest put a dirty rag around so I won't spill the oil. Since I got a big funnel, it will be much easier to pour it in. I got 5 quart. The easier is if you have a 1 quart, then no problem, you got 6 quart. Since I got a big jug, what I would suggest, I'm going to take the funnel off. I'll place the funnel here and I'll open the other jug and I'll fill it up 1 quart here. Then it will give me accurate measurement. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'll come back. That's a simple tip. You empty into this jug. So now I have a 1 quart. We have exact level. So if you're trying to pour in with the other jug, then you can put some more, definitely. But this way you have a perfect measurement. So I'm going to put the funnel back again, and then 1 quart goes in. So now we have a 6 quart. I'm going to close the cap. I'm going to test the level. I'm going to drive it. Then I'm going to come back. Then I will test the level again. And one tip I want to share with you. Go underneath the Hummer again. Make sure that drain plug, there is no leakage. Same thing with the oil filter. And it just takes a couple of minutes, but that's extra precaution. That's how it's easy and simple to change engine oil and oil filter on your Hummer H2 SUT year model 2007. And if this video helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And for delicious cooking, please don't forget Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.